Hello, I am Dr. Parul Agarwal from Chandigarh. I attended record keeping, consent and documentation workshop by Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja sir, and I can say this was the best decision because I learned the value of consent forms in today's time, and also that it is not a tedious task to make a one. Sir explained consent forms of each and every treatment done in our clinic, and the documentation and record keeping part was explained in detail in respect of the patient data, financial records, staff leave records or lab records, and many more. And the best part was the homework that we used to get in each and every session, which has now given us a huge database of consent forms. And the best part was the mode of the workshop, which was spread over 1.5 months, and being a mom, it was easy for me to attend the sessions. And I want to say that each and every dentist should attend this workshop to widen their horizons in the legal and documentation area. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.